Today I'm sharing a video to make two products that you can actually give to friends or family as a gift, or you can potentially put them on Etsy or your website if you have one for sale. If you need the final dimensions of the product, you can find those in the description. Hello and welcome to the channel if this is your first time. If it's not your first time, then welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. As always, I hope you'll have a tangible experience of God's love today. I think you will like one of the video or playlist showing up on your screen right now. Until next time, take care and God bless.